In this video, you'll discover a 90-day lead generation plan that actually generates consistent leads and books sales calls. And stick around till the end for a special invitation to customize this lead gen plan specifically to your coaching business. My name is Peter Scott. I'm the founder of Fearless Coach Academy, where we have trained thousands of coaches over the last 10 years to launch and scale their coaching business. Now, the first phase, the first 2 weeks of your 90-day lead gen plan is to clarify your magnetic message and narrow down your niche. If you are unclear on your niche, meaning the person that you serve, the problem that you solve, and the promise that you make, then you're not going to get any leads and you're not going to get any clients. So step number 1, week 1 and week 2 is to get crystal clear on that. Who are you called to help? What is the most painful problem that they have? And what is the promise that you're going to make to them? And get clear on that, because no one cares if you're an executive coach or a leadership coach. No one cares if you're a life coach or a health coach. When you tell people you're that, they run the other way. It's like calling yourself a network marketer. Instead, say, I help coaches that are struggling to generate enough leads or earn their first 6 figures in 12 months or less. That is a niche. And that is a magnetic message. So that's step number 1. Do not sleep on this. I know it's not sexy. I know you're going to want to go to the more advanced funnels and social media and all of that stuff, but that's impossible to do any of that if you're not crystal clear on the niche and the message. And if you haven't chosen a profitable niche, make sure that these people have a problem we're solving. It's painful enough that they're going to pay for it, and they're resourceful enough to find a way to do it, because you want to set yourself up to win in this 90-day lead gen plan, and that's phase number 1. Phase number 2 is week 3 and 4. So within the first 30 days of this journey, you've clarified your magnetic message, you've narrowed down your niche. The next thing is to create a core lead magnet. Why do you need a lead magnet? Well, because this is a lead generation plan. So how in the world are you going to generate leads if you don't have a lead magnet? Now, in this video series, I've already gone over the details of what a lead magnet is, but really quick 30-second pitch on it. It's something you give away for free in exchange for somebody's contact info. It's not a stupid newsletter. It's not an update on your website. No one cares about you. No one cares about me. What they care about is a solution to their problem. So think about what's the common problems that your clients face. Create a checklist or a template or a cheat sheet or a script for them to solve that problem and give that away. Put it on the funnel. Make sure there's a landing page. Make sure people are downloading it. And now you're actually starting to generate leads. And hopefully, if you follow the rest of what I'm going to teach you in this video, you're booking sales calls. So that's week 3 and 4, is to create a high converting lead magnet. Step number 3, phase 3, this would be weeks 5 and 6, is to build out your lead nurture system. Because you not only want to get people to join your email list and download the thing and deliver it to them, but you want to follow up with them and you want to build know, like, and trust. Remember, we are in a trust recession right now in the coaching industry. There has never been in human history a higher level of resistance and a lower level of trust right now in this moment as you're watching this video. It was so much easier 10 years ago to build a coaching business. A lot harder today. But can it be done? Clearly it can be done. So how do you do it? You set up a system that strategically lowers that resistance and builds that trust as quickly as possible. Hint, a great way of doing that is to start a YouTube channel. Why? Because if somebody watches one video of yours and they find it to be useful, guess what? They're going to binge watch a couple of your videos, and then the algorithm is going to follow you all over the place going, hey, Peter just uploaded a new video. Thank you, by the way, if you're watching my videos. So make sure to have a lead nurture system, not just on YouTube, but on email. When somebody downloads your lead magnet, let's make sure they actually hear from you again. In the previous video, I talked about the new lead warmer. It's the exact 6 emails that every new lead gets the first 14 days they sign up for your lead magnet. Go watch that video after this video, implement that process, install that, and that's weeks 5 and 6. So by this point, you know your niche, you know your message, you have a lead magnet, and you have a follow-up system so that you're continuing to build know, like, and trust, and you're continuing to stay on their radar when they're ready. Because keep in mind this, there's only a small percentage of people that when they first download your thing are ready to sign up for coaching. Yes, you want to create an opportunity to invite them into your world, but what about the people that take 30 days or 90 days or 2 years, which some people do? Well, if you have no follow-up sequence, then they don't know you exist. You're a distant memory after 48 hours. So do not sleep on this. Build your lead nurture system. Phase 4 is launching weekly content that drives leads. Weekly content. Yes, if you can have a post that goes out every day, you're going to get more leads. But guess what? That's a lot of work, especially if you're working full-time in a job and you're building this coaching business on the side. You don't have the time or the capacity or probably the interest of being some social media influencer. So start weekly. Post once a week on one platform. Could be YouTube, could be LinkedIn, could be Facebook, could be TikTok, whatever it is. Just choose one and build your well there. For me, the way we do it is our primary channel is YouTube. I publish a video here, long form video like this, that's useful, that's relevant, that's valuable every single week. Now, every now and then we'll repurpose that video and we can use AI to do this, which is pretty awesome, and throw a clip on Instagram Reels or throw a clip on Facebook or throw a clip on, YouTube Shorts, whatever it is. And we leverage other platforms. But for now, for you, if you don't have a team and if you don't have a bunch of resources to purchase these different softwares, keep it simple. Produce one piece of content every single week on the topic that you solve. Not about your coaching business, because nobody cares, about their problems. Go back to your niche and your magnetic message right now. What's that problem that you solve? That's what you want to create content on, because the better that you articulate somebody's problem, the quicker they unconsciously and automatically credit you with the solution. So if you create content on that problem, they're going to view you as the expert and the coach that they want to work with. So launch your weekly content, make sure that that's driving leads, meaning have a connection to your lead magnet, to your funnels. If you watch my videos, you'll see that I reference some of our lead magnets. So every video, even the ones that I recorded 5 years ago, are bringing us leads so that we can nurture and create more opportunities to help more coaches. The fifth step of this 90-day lead gen plan is a master the conversion conversation. Because I don't want to just teach you in this video how to generate leads. You've got to know how to actually build trust, how to deliver value, and how to create motivation and desire for your coaching. If you don't know how to run the enrollment conversation, if you make the mistake of giving your coaching away for free, wishing and hoping that that's going to bring you clients, then you will struggle. So the fifth and final step of this would be week 11 through 12, is to master the conversion conversation. And there's tons of different sales trainings out there. We teach a 2-call process because for me personally, we have so many calls. Some of those people are unqualified. The last thing I want to do is spend an hour of my time or my team's time with somebody who does not have a problem we can solve or doesn't even want help. So we have a 2-call process. We first meet them for 15 minutes, explore if or how we can help them. We then, if we decide we can help them and they want help, book in another call where we map out a game plan and talk about the coaching. So whatever process you have, you don't need to follow that. Many of our clients choose a 1-call process, but just choose one and actually develop the skills of enrollment. Learn how to have that conversion conversation and make sure that it's useful and valuable, right? You don't want to just go up there and say, hey, buy my coaching is $10,000, whatever your pricing is. You want to actually identify, is there a problem that they have? Are they looking for help? What's the gap? What have they tried in the past? What hasn't worked? And how would your coaching support them in that? When you do that on the 11th and 12th, you have just implemented the 90-day lead gen system that is going to help you grow your business. So now, if you want help, like I promised in the beginning of this video, in customizing this 90-day lead gen system to your specific business, I'm inviting you to schedule a complimentary 15-minute business brainstorm call with me and my team. So just go to the link in the description below or visit fearlesscoachacademy.com and you can schedule a call. We'll review your niche and your price point, your offer. We'll identify the number one thing that's holding you back in your coaching business, and we'll map out a 3-step action plan for you to get leads every single day and clients every single week. So just click the link in the description below. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, if this was useful, then smash the subscribe button right now. That way you never miss a future video. And make sure to check out my next video up here, which is gonna reveal the simple funnel to book 5+ sales calls per week. So click up here and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.